What is up, everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So, for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download booking confirmation from booking.com. So, of course, you may want to head over first on booking.com and make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, just click on your profile icon with your name, then click on Bookings and Trips. You will then be redirected to the Bookings and Trips page. Then all you have to do is click on your booking. You will then be redirected to a more detailed view of your booking. And from here, all you have to do is click on the three dot icon that can be found beside your booking. Then next is proceed by clicking on view booking. So from here, you have an option to save the confirmation to your phone or print the confirmation. If you choose to save the confirmation on your phone, which is the recommended option, all you have to do is enter in your mobile number, then click on send link to my phone. But if you choose to print your booking confirmation, just click on the English version button, and from there, you will have an option to print a copy of your booking confirmation. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!